Hi students. So yesterday we have discussed about the variances na. So material variances formulas also have given. So regarding the material variances, so today we are going to discuss the problems. Okay na? So first of all, under material variance, what we have? Material cost variance, material price variance, material quantity or usage variance, material mix variance and material yield variance. Okay na? So now you see these questions. The standard and actual requirements of material A are as under he has given. So once again listen careful ma. Standard means nothing but budget. Before preparing any product, okay, or else before starting any business. So first of all there we will make a plan. Okay, that budget we will first of all we will plan the budget. Okay, so that is called as standard. So the standard 10,000 units at rate of 4 rupees per unit he has given. So nothing but what they are thinking means for preparing a material A, okay, requirements of material A are as under he has given. So 10,000, they are thinking that 10,000 units of raw material is required and 4 rupees per unit. But actually how many units they have prepared? 13,000 units. Actually they have used 13,000 units at rate of 3.80 per unit. Okay, this is standard, and nothing but this standard means what? Before itself we have planned it that what we have planned that 10,000 units. Okay, its cost will be how much? 4 rupees per unit. But actually it happened how many units? 13,000 units, and its cost is how much? 3.80. That is actual. Okay, so here what we have to do? We have to find the material cost variance. Nothing but cost variance. So material cost variance means what? Then the difference between the standard and actual. Nothing but what we have planned and what actually happened. That is the difference we are going to find here. Okay, so once you see here, so here SQ is how much? Standard quantity 10,000 units, standard price per unit 4 rupees, actual quantity 13,000 and actual price is 3.80. So material cost variance formula: standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into actual price, SQ into SP minus AQ into AP. So SQ is how much? 10,000. 10,000 into 4 minus AQ is how much? 13,000 into 3.80. So how much it is? 10,000 into 4 is how much? 40,000. 13,000 into 3.80 is how much? 49,400. So material cost variance. So here what we have thought, total its cost will be 40,000. We have made a budget that 40,000 may happen, but actually happened how much? 49,400. Okay, so it is adverse, nothing but unfavorable. It is not to our favor. Nothing but the plan which we have made, according to that it is not there. So it happened more. అంటే మనం అనుకున్నది ఏందమ్మా 40,000 అవుతుందని మనం ఒక ప్లాన్ వేసుకున్నాం, కానీ అయ్యింది ఎంత? 49,400 అయ్యింది. అంటే ఎంత ఎక్కువైంది? 9,400 అడ్వర్స్ అని అయ్యాలి. ఓకేనా? ఒకవేళ మనం అనుకున్న దానికన్నా తక్కువైతేనేమో ఫేవరబుల్, అనుకున్న దానికన్నా ఎక్కువైతేనేమో ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఫిగర్ వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? ఇది అడ్వర్స్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఆర్ అన్ఫేవరబుల్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ రైట్. క్లియరా? So that is material cost variance in first question. Next is the second question. The standard material required for producing 1 unit of product X is 5 kg. Listen carefully. The standard material required for producing 1 unit of product X is 5 kg. Nothing but for producing 1 unit of product X, 5 kg of raw material is required. Standardly they are thinking that for producing 1 unit 5 kg of product is required, and the standard price per kg of material is 3 rupees. So standard price SP is how much? 3 rupees. The management accountant reports that 16,000 kg of material costing 52,000. Okay, so management accountant, nothing but actually what happened here? 16,000 kg of materials, raw material they have purchased for how much? 52,000 they have purchased. Okay, where used for producing 3,000 units of X. So 16,000 kg of raw material they have purchased for 52,000, but how many of units they are producing here? 3,000 units so they are producing. So calculate material cost variance. So here once you see here, standardly they have given information that 1 unit, for 1 unit they have said 5 kgs we have to use. Nothing but what they have planned that for producing 1 unit 5 kg of raw material will be required and its cost will be 3 rupees. But what they have done means 16,000 of raw material they have purchased and its cost is 52,000. Okay, For producing how many units? 3000 units. Nothing but they have produced how many units? 3000 units. వినండి అమ్మ ఒకసారి క్వశ్చన్ ఇక్కడ వాళ్ళు ఒక ప్లాన్ వేసుకున్నాం అంటే ఒక మెటీరియల్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఎక్స్ అనేది ప్రిపేర్ కావడానికి మనం అనుకున్నది ఏంది ఇక్కడ ఒక్క యూనిట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయడానికి అంటే 1 యూనిట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయడానికి 5 kgs ఆఫ్ రా మెటీరియల్ అని అనుకున్నాం. మనం 1 యూనిట్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయడానికి ఎంత అనుకున్నాం? 5 kg ఆఫ్ రా మెటీరియల్ ముందు ఒక ప్లాన్ వేసుకున్నాం. అయితే పర్ కేజీ ఎంత? 3 రూపీస్ పడుతుంది మనకి. రా మెటీరియల్ పర్ కేజీ ఎంత పడుతుంది? 3 రూపీస్. ద మేనేజ్మెంట్ అకౌంటెంట్ రిపోర్ట్స్. సో అంటే ఆల్రెడీ ప్రొడక్షన్ అయిన తర్వాత ఏమైంది అంటే 16,000 kg ఆఫ్ రా మెటీరియల్ పర్చేస్ చేశారు. 16,000 రా మెటీరియల్ కేజీ ఎంతకు పర్చేస్ చేశారు వాళ్ళు? 52,000 రూపీస్కి పర్చేస్ చేశారు. అలా అంత రా మెటీరియల్ పర్చేస్ చేశారు కదా. ఎన్ని ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేశారు? 3000 యూనిట్స్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేశారు. ఎన్ని ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేశారు? యాక్చువల్గా ఎన్ని ప్రొడ్యూస్ అయినాయి? 3000 యూనిట్స్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అయినాయి. అర్థమవుతుందా? 3000 యూనిట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేయాలి అంటే స్టాండర్డ్గా మనం అనుకున్నది 1 యూనిట్, యాక్చువల్గా ప్రొడ్యూస్ అయింది 3000 యూనిట్స్ని. అంటే మన స్టాండర్డ్ని కూడా ఎలా చేయాలి? 3000 యూనిట్స్కి క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. ఎస్క్యూని ఎలా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి? 3000 యూనిట్స్కి క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలన్నమాట. అక్కడ 1 యూనిట్కి మనం లెక్కేసుకున్నాం కదా, అదే 3000 యూనిట్స్కి ఎంత అనేది మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? సో ఎలా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలో చూడండి. ఇంకొకటి ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నాడు అక్కడ? మెటీరియల్ కాస్ట్ వేరియన్స్. హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ ది మెటీరియల్ కాస్ట్ వేరియన్స్. సో ఒకసారి చూడండి, వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ ది ఎస్క్యూ. వై? బికాస్ ఎస్క్యూ హ్యాస్ గివెన్ ఫర్ 1 యూనిట్ అండ్ ఏక్యూ హ్యాస్ గివెన్ ఫర్ 3000 యూనిట్స్. సో రెండు మనం సపరేట్ ఉన్నాయి, రెండు ఈక్వల్గా ఉండాలి. నథింగ్ బట్ హియర్ ఎస్క్యూ అండ్ ఏక్యూ షుడ్ బి ఫర్ సేమ్ యూనిట్స్. ఓకే, సేమ్ యూనిట్స్, దే షుడ్ బి ఫర్ సేమ్ యూనిట్స్. Okay, so for 1 unit 5 kgs he has said. So for preparing 3000 units, how many kgs is required? Nothing but how much of raw material is required. Okay, standardly what we have thought, for producing 1 unit 5 kgs. If we are producing a 3000 units, then how many kgs? So cross multiplication, 5 into 3000 divided by 1. So 15,000 units are required. How many units are required? Sorry, 15,000 kgs are required. And also 15,000 kgs. Clear? Next we have to calculate AP. AP per unit AP per kg has not given. 16,000. Nothing but for purchasing 16,000 kg of raw material, 52,000 is cost he has said. Then for 1 kg how much? For 1 kg how much? Cross multiplication, 52,000 into 1 divided by 16,000 is equal to 3.25. AP కూడా మనకు డైరెక్ట్ ఇవ్వలేడమ్మా, పర్ కేజీ ఇవ్వలేడు. 16,000 kg రా మెటీరియల్ పర్చేస్ చేయడానికి 52,000 ఖర్చు అయిందంట. సో 1 kgకి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో for 1 kg is how much? 3.25. Now SQ is how much? 15,000. SP is 3. AQ is 16,000 and AP is 3.25. So apply the formula, MCV formula you apply. MCV is equal to SQ into SP minus AQ into AP. So 15,000 into 3 minus 16,000 into 3.25. 45,000 minus 52,000. So here we thought that its cost will be 45,000, but actually happened 52,000. So MCV 7,000 adverse. 7,000 adverse. Okay, that is second one. Next, coming to the third question, you see. So what is the third question here? Seema. Third question. A factory works on standard costing system. The standard estimate of material for manufacturing of 1,000 units of a commodity is 400 kgs. So standardly what they are thinking means for producing 1,000 units of a commodity, 400 kg of raw material is required. Per kg 2.50. This is standard information. When 2,000 units of commodity are manufactured, so actually what they are saying that if 2,000 units are produced or a commodity is manufactured, it is found that 820 kg of raw material is consumed at 2.60 per kg. So standard the information is given in 1,000 units and actually they have produced 2,000 units. So what we have to do here, same like previous problem, if actual is 2,000 means even we have to calculate standard for 2,000 units only. So if here for 1,000 units, if it is 400 kgs means for 2,000 units how much it will be there. So in that way we have to calculate the SQ here. See here, SQ. For 1,000 units, 400 kgs of raw material is required. So actually they are producing how many units? 2,000 units. Standardly what we are thinking means for producing 1,000 units, 400 kgs of raw material is necessary, we are thinking. But actually we have produced 2,000 units. So for in case of 2,000, how much of raw material is required? Cross multiplication, 400 into 2,000 divided by 1,000. So 800 kgs. Now SQ, SP, AQ, AP. SQ is how much? 800. SP in the question he has given 2.50. AQ 820 in the question itself he has given, and AP also he has given 2.60. Now apply the MCV formula. What is the MCV formula? SQ into SP minus AQ into AP. 800 into 2.50 minus 820 into 2.60. So 2000 minus 2132. So 132 adverse. Here also what we have thought, its total it will be 2000, but it happened 2132 actually. So 132 is adverse. Okay. Next, coming to the fourth question. See, calculate material price variance of products A and B, he has said. Nothing but here we have to calculate the price variance of products A and B. So standard price he has given, actual price he has given, units produced he has given. So MPV we have to calculate. See here, A and B. For A we have to calculate, even for B also we have to calculate. So here SQ has not given, SP, AQ, AP. Nothing but standard price, actual quantity and actual price he has given. So MPV formula. What is MPV formula? MPV is equal to AQ into SP minus AQ. MPV is equal to AQ into SP minus AP. So first for AQ is how much ma? 600. Okay, into SP is how much? 5. AP is how much? 6 rupees. Okay, so 600, 5 minus 6 is how much? Minus 1. So 600 adverse. Here we got minus na. So adverse we have taken. Again B, AQ is how much? 500. Okay, SP 8 minus 7.50 is equal to 500 into 0.50. Here plus, so 250 favorable. 250 favorable. That is in case of fourth question. Okay, next, see the fifth question. Calculate MCV, MPV and MUV. Quantity, standard quantity, actual quantity he has given. Rate per kg also he has given. SP and AP. Okay. So, but what we have to find here? MCV we have to find, MPV we have to find, and MUV also we have to find here. So, directly has given SQ, SP, AQ, AP has given. First MCV. MCV is equal to SQ into SP minus AQ into AP. 40 into 10 minus 48 into 12 is equal to 400 minus 576. So, 176 adverse we got. Next MPV. AQ into SP minus AP is equal to 48 into 10 minus 12. So 48 into minus 2 is equal to 96 adverse we got. Next MUV. SP into SQ minus AQ. So 10 into SP is how much ma? 10 into 40, SQ is how much? 40. AQ is how much? 48. So 40 minus 48 is minus 8. So 10 into minus 8 is 80 adverse. Okay. Next. See the sixth question. If furniture manufacturer uses Sanmika tops for tables for the following information. That is the company name. Find MPV, price variance, usage variance and cost variance. So what he has given once you see ma. Standard quantity of Sanmika per table. How much he has given? 4 square feet per table wood. Okay. We are preparing table means what is required? Wood. So per table 4 square feet of wood is required. Standardly what we are thinking means for table we have to use 4 square feet. That is our plan, standard. It is not actual. Next, standard price per square feet is 5 rupees. SP is how much? 5 rupees. Actual production of tables 1000. Okay, so here what he has given ma? Per table. Per table 4 square feet of wood is required. Nothing but raw material. Actually, how many tables they are producing? 1000 tables they are producing. Means SQ will be how much? 1000 into 4. SQ will be how much? 1000 into 4. Okay. Actual used. Nothing but actual quantity is 4300 square feet. Actual purchase price AP per square feet is how much? 5.50. Okay. So now see. SQ 1000 into 4. Why I have taken here 4? Standard మనం అనుకుంటుంది ఏమమ్మా ఇక్కడ ఒక్క స్క్వేర్ ఫీట్కి ఒక్క టేబుల్కి 4 స్క్వేర్ ఫీట్ ఆఫ్ వుడ్ అవసరమని మనం అనుకుంటున్నాం. అట్లా ఎన్ని ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తున్నారు? 1000 టేబుల్స్. సో 1000 into 4. సో 4000. సో SP is how much? 5. AQ is how much? 4300. AP is 5.50. So first MCV. SQ into SP minus AQ into AP. So 4000 into 5 minus 4300 into 5.50. So 20,000 minus 23,650. So 3,650 adverse we got. Next MPV. AQ into SP minus AP. Okay, 4,300 into 5 minus 5.50. So 4,300 into minus 0.5 is equal to 2,150 adverse. Next MUV. SP into SQ minus AQ. So SP is how much ma? 5. 4000 minus 4300. So 5 into minus 300 is 1500 adverse. Okay, here you should be very careful in finding SQ, SP or AQ, AP. So if you are perfect in that, so you can apply the formulas. Next a homework for you, that is 7th question. 7th homework cheyandi. See, from the following information you have to calculate material cost variance, usage variance, price variance separately for X and Y. Separately you have to do X and Y. Okay, so standard quantity has given, price he has given, actual quantity has given, actual price given. So don't be confused that this, what is this 25 and 30, it is a total. ఇది కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కాకండి అమ్మా, ఇది టోటల్ మాత్రమే, దీన్ని ఏం కన్సిడర్ ఏం చేయకండి. ఎస్కి ఉంది, ఎస్పీ ఉంది, ఏకి ఉంది, ఏపీ ఉంది. ఎక్స్కి సపరేట్గా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి, వైకి సపరేట్గా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా? సో డూ ఇట్. క్లియరా?